Adam here with Gearful, and I want to walk you through our new HNTN pull-out bags. These are awesome for organization. Hunters love to be organized. There's nothing worse than losing stuff, not finding stuff, especially when it comes down to the moment that matters. So we have got 3 sizes. This is the smallest size that we have. And to give you an idea of what can kind of go in here, I've got some range glasses for shooting, and there's even a little bit more that you could fit in there. It would be really tight for a kill kit, but if you're an ounce counter, I'd say probably a gram counter, you could maybe fit it in there, but it's gonna be tight. Another thing to show you here, I've got a charger and a phone. That can also go in there as well. And so that gives you an idea, and there's even a little bit more room in there. Let's see if the glasses are gonna fit. Maybe they will. Looks like they will. So, gives you an idea of what can go in to that smallest there. To measure this out, it's 6.5 inches. Next up, medium-sized bag here, next one, and what this is gonna be more of the kill kit. You could do some game bags, knife, marking tape, all of that. So I've got a hoodie in here already, and I just threw in some ear protection just to give you an idea of what can kind of go into this one. It's getting a little tight in there, but if I wanted to add something else, I could probably add. So this one's gonna come in the length of 10 inches by 6. So really great bag there. You're gonna get into that kill kit type size. And this is our HNTN pull-out bags. We've got the duffels, we've got a spotting scope case. So this just kind of adds to the organization and keeping your stuff protected. All right, and we're gonna get to our largest size here. What I pulled out was some crispy gaiters. We're gonna see if these can fit in here. Before we do that, let's measure this out. Coming in at, call it 12 inches. When we fill this thing in, maybe remeasure it again, make sure. All right, so got a layer in there, some gaiters. Now it's built out. Yeah, it's coming in at 12. And then let's go ahead and take some stuff out of here. Pack this thing up. What else we got? Let's throw this in here. So it looks really flat when there's nothing in it, but it really turns into kind of that boxy look. And we'll just throw in a little range bag, what I had lying around. So yeah, really good for clothing. One thing I'll do with kind of these larger sizes, I'll do like a merino head to toe. I'll do some socks, just kind of soft stuff. And that can just be kind of thrown around, thrown into a bigger bag, even like thrown into our duffel bag here, and they would all fit. Keeps you organized, keeps this stuff protected, the dust out, all that stuff. So this is our pull-out bag or organizers. Great for organizing all your gear from cell phones, rangefinders, all that, up to clothing, and in between, one of our favorites, the kill kit. Learn more on gearful.com, read the specs, ask questions. You can always reach out to our experts anytime.